Hi there, everybody. My name is Tim Wagner, and welcome to our 8th workshop to help you keep focused on your dreams and goals in 2023. I'm your host and collaborator in these amazing, energy-filled, motivational, and thought-provoking workshops. I was recently chatting with a colleague, and he said to me, it's crazy that we're already thinking about the end of 2023 when there's still a third of the year to go. Looking at what isn't available, what's gone, is not going to help you. Maybe September already, but we've got a long way to go. So how do you stay focused on what is? Because at least in these 4 months, you can focus to hit your personal and business goals and targets. Everything that you've been implementing in the last 9 months and even before this is now brought you to this point, this moment, this time. And taking advantage of all of that in the next 4 months is key to achieving what it is that you set out to do. In January and February, you prepared the ground, you nurtured the soil. In March and April, you planted the seeds. May until now, you've been looking after this, you've been watering it, you've been taking care of your crop. Now it's the time to reap the harvest and really benefit from that hard work and all that thoughts and energy that you put aside. So even if you thought you'd be further ahead by now, or perhaps you're looking and going, I'm way behind on my sales targets, and you're feeling that you're just on the back foot. Perhaps you're on target and you just need a little bit more focus to completely push you over the edge and make this a true year that you will always remember. Wherever you're sitting, remember the ancient Chinese proverb. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. It's what you do today, in this moment, at this time, that'll make all the difference to helping you fulfill what you set out to achieve this year. And that is exactly what we're speaking on this month. What you can do to elevate your end game and stay focused right through to the end of the year and even beyond. So if you're here joining for the first time, I welcome you. If you're coming back again for another workshop to reconnect with other great like-minded people where you're going to be inspired and motivated to really understand what you need to do, I'm not going to disappoint, as our guest speakers this month are really inspiring international stars. You're going to meet Lynn Hare, an international business coach, award-winning author and speaker. Going to meet Meg Hallis, who's going to speak directly to your stresses, your anxieties, to help you overcome those challenges and roadblocks as they happen. And back by popular demand, it's Eddie Jarvis, our entrepreneur, our life coach, who speaks right into your mind to help you building those success habits, which are so critical. And then myself, Tim Wagner, your professional pointer, making sure that you are continuing in the right direction. So scroll down now, read more about the bios, but don't go past where it says book your seat, because you need to click on that to get your Zoom link to reserve your spot. Come prepared to learn, come prepared to implement, and watch how you get to those stages and those levels which you've been looking for. So if you need to get that lift to help you remain focused in the next 4 months in 2023, scroll down now, click register, and I look forward to seeing you on the 31st of August.